Okay, so hello everyone. Welcome to another interesting session of the Astro Club. So as you know, we are doing the Scratch programming since the past 2 weeks. Okay, so today also we are going to continue that. As all of you know, you can just go to Google and open the Scratch website and click on this button that is create. This helps you to create a new project, new thing. So you can just open this and be ready. We'll then start. So today, all of you should pay good attention because we are going to do something very, very interesting. Okay, after doing it, you'll be really happy to see the output. We are going to start our first project today. Okay, so I request all of you to do it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. We are going to start our first project today. But before starting the project, one more small topic is left. I'll first explain that topic and then we'll do our project. Okay? Is it fine?
Okay.
Yeah. So first let's start that small topic which is left. The name of the topic is loops. The name of the topic is loops. So that is the topic which I'm going to explain now. After that, we'll do our first project.
Okay.
So, moving on to the loops topic. In this loops topic, we are going to do something that is, we have to increase the size of the ball continuously. Okay, so the size of the ball should be expanded continuously. So all of you do simultaneously with me. So choose a sprite. So obviously the sprite is a ball. So choose a ball like this. Okay. And here x coordinate and y coordinate. You have to change it to 0, 0 so that the ball will be at the center. Okay. Change it to 0, 0. So the ball is now at the center. So see, the size is 100. So initially the size of the ball is 100. Now what we want to do, we want to increase the size of the ball continuously. So just imagine, if we want to increase the size of the ball continuously, then we have to write many lines of code. Like we have to use many blocks and it turns out to be a very big program. Am I right? We have to write many lines of code.
Yes, sir.
So it will be really tough to write that many lines of code. So to make our work easier, we have something called as loops. So what is a loop? A loop is a function which is used to repeat a command many times. So when we want to do a particular thing many times, we use loop. So what is that thing we are going to do here many times? Increasing the size of the ball. Okay, we are going to increase the size of the ball continuously. That is, many times we are going to do it. That is why we are going to use loop here.
Okay.
So just remember, loop means repeating something. That is called as loop. So let's complete this. So do simultaneously with me when flag is clicked. So the first step in any program here in the Scratch is when flag is clicked. So when flag is clicked, so initially every time when you run the program again and again, the size of the ball should be at 100 only. So for that, you have something here in the look section, in this violet color bars, we have here set size to 100%. So every time you run the program, the size of the ball will be initially 100. So from 100, the size of the ball keeps on increasing. Okay. So first we have to set to 100. Now we are going to use a loop. So here you have the loop in the control section here. This orange color ones. I mean this yellow, dark yellow color ones. In this you have repeat 10 times. Repeat 10 times. So instead of 10, you can change it to 50. That means this program is going to run for 50 times. Are you all able to understand?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka. So now, repeat 50 times. So what must be repeated? Increasing the size of the ball must be repeated. For that, here we have so we have to repeat 50 times, that is changing the size. So see here, change size by 10. The violet color bar, change size by 10. You have to place it inside this loop. Inside this loop, you have to place change size by 10, which means the size of the ball will be increasing by 10 times. Okay, every time this program repeats, the size of the ball will be increasing by 10 times. So how many times this program is going to repeat?
50 times.
50 times this program is going to repeat. And in that process, the size of the ball will change by 10 times. So change size by 10. So after changing the size, it should wait for some 1 second or like that, because we have to see what happens, right? If it keeps on increasing, we can't understand the output. So in the loop only, after change size by 10, place this, wait for 1 second. 1 second will be too large, so you can change it to 0.1 second, like just very less time, so that you can see what has happened. Okay, is it done till here? Now we are going to run the program and we are going to see what is going to happen. See, I'm running it. Yeah, is it increasing?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, see, the size of the ball is increasing. Now all of you try in your device. Is it coming?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
Possible, show me.
Okay.
Vaishnavi, yeah, show me Vaishnavi. Yeah, nice. Okay, others also.
Can you see?
Yeah, Sahana, I can see. Yeah, very nice. Good.
Akka, once can you see?
Yeah, Ramcharan, show me. Yeah, good. It's working. Nice. So did you understand what is meant by loop?
Yes, Akka.
Loop means repeat it
Yes, Akka.
many times. So what we want to repeat here, changing the size. So that is why we kept this inside the loop. Now we have something else. We have something other function, some other function. If we want to change the graphics of the ball, you know, you can change the color of the ball. You can do many other things. So now you can animate the ball. Let's see how you can do this. So all of this code is same. When the flag is clicked, yeah, when the flag is clicked, so every time you run the code, the graphics, I mean the effects which you applied the previous time should be removed. It should be the normal ball. For this normal ball, you should apply the effects. Am I right?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
So when flag is clicked, you have a function called as clear graphic effects. Search for it. You have one function called as clear graphic effects.
Akka, it's there in the looks block.
It's there in the, yeah, see this violet color one. After when flag is clicked, you have to place. When flag is clicked, what should happen? All the graphic effects should be removed. It should be a yellow ball like this, plain ball it should be. So for this plain ball, now you are going to apply the effects. Are you able to understand?
Yes, Akka.
Okay, so did you place clear graphic effects? Now,
Yes, Akka.
yeah. Now, see here, in the loop, change size by 10 is there, right? After that, you have to place one function. That is, see here, the violet one here. Change color effect by 25. You can change it to 10. 25 will be too large. You can change it to 10. And then wait 0.1 second. That is as it is. So you have to add only two things here. Clear graphic effect at the beginning. And then inside the loop, change color effect by 10. Did you all do this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Akka.
On this arrow here, you have many graphics here. First, we'll look at the color only. Keep it in the color, and now I'm going to run the code. See orange, blue, red, see green, blue. See, is it changing the color?
Yes, Akka.
Yeah. Try. Is it working for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now wait. Now wait. Still not completed. Afterwards, you can show. Once wait now. After this color, you can try different things. See, you can whirl it. Change it to whirl. See, inside that, you can see something is,
Right, it's rotating.
yeah.
Yes, Akka.
Something is rotating, yeah. And then you can change it to brightness also. Brightness means, see, I mean, it's coming as very bright. Are you able to see? And you can change it to ghost effect. You can try with all these effects. These are all the effects you can keep. Mosaic. Mosaic means, see, so many balls are coming. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, Akka.
Change it to pixelate. Pixelate means it's becoming blur. So you can try all of these, okay? Then fisheye. Yeah, this is normal thing or like increasing the size. So yeah, we have tried all the effects. So did you understand how we can change the graphics of a ball?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So this is all about loops. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Akka.
Okay. So far we have learned about the basics of Scratch programming. The past 2 weeks and today. Today for some time we've learned until loops. That is the basics of Scratch programming. Now we are going to start our first project. Okay, are you all ready?
Akka, should
Yes,
we create
sir.
Yes,
another
Akka.
What, Vaishnavi?
should we create another page?
Or else you can delete all of this here and do it in the same, your wish. If you want to do it in another folder, you can do it. You can go back and you can again create. Okay, so the name of the project is Animating a Name. Okay, we are going to create animation for a name. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So we are going to choose a small name. We are going to animate the name Sam, S-A-M, Sam. We are going to animate that name. So it should come as, my name is Sam. Okay, with animation effects, it is going to come. So it's a bit lengthy thing. So you have to follow me carefully and you have to do it simultaneously. Okay, listen carefully and do it. First we are going to animate my name. Okay, those two words first we are going to animate. M-Y, my, and N-A-M-E, name. After that, we are going to animate the word is, I-S is. After that, we are going to animate the word Sam. So overall, it will come as, my name is Sam. Is it clear?
Yes, Akka.
Sakka.
Okay. Now, so choose the sprite. See here, you have the category letters. In that letters, you have three colors. See, orange, dark green, and light green. So now first choose orange. In orange, you have to choose M and Y. Choose M. And then again go to letters and choose Y. Okay, is it done?
Yes, Akka.
Now,
1 minute.
yeah. Now again go to letters and in this dark green, choose the word name. N A M E, name. Okay, do until here and then tell me.
So 1 minute.
Yeah, do it.
Yes, Sakka.
Okay, yeah. Now arrange these properly. M Y N A M E. Arrange them side by side like this properly. Okay, after doing this, tell me.
Completed, Akka.
Yeah. What about others?
Completed. Akka.
Okay, now see. Now listen carefully. First, we are going to animate the word my. So the my word my, those two letters we are going to animate. So how we are going to do is, we are going to make those two letters appear suddenly. Okay, suddenly they should appear on the screen. Suddenly in the sense means actually they should first be in some random position. From that random position, they should come to a fixed position. Okay? Did you understand
Okay,
how to animate M and Y? So let's
Yes, sir.
first choose this M. We are going to first animate M. So click on this M near the sprites. And what is the first step when flag is clicked? When flag is clicked, first it should be at some random position. So click, place here, go to random position. So after going to random position, it should wait for 1 second. So place wait for 1 second. After that, it should come to some fixed position. So you have to see it moving. So you have to use glide.
Go to.
Glide. Glide 1 second to change the coordinates as -190 and 100. Okay, so when flag is clicked, we are writing the code for the letter M. When flag is clicked, it should go to random position and it should wait there 1 second. From that random position, it should glide to the coordinates -190 and 100. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Now, for Y also, for the letter Y also, same code. So you need not to write it again. You can just drag this and copy here. Just drag all of this and place it near letter Y and just leave it like that. If you're doing in laptop, then it would be fine. In phone also, did you do it?
Yes, Akka.
Now you select Y, then you
Yes.
can see the code here. Is it appearing?
Yes,
Yes,
Sakka.
Okay. So now Y, the letter Y, it should also from random position come to one particular position. So we have to change the coordinates here. So change the coordinates as -130, -130 and 100. Change it as -130 and 100.
Yes, Akka.
Okay, done?
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, now we have animated the letters M and Y. Let's check until here. Once run the code, see from random position, they have come to the fixed position.
Yes, Akka.
Is it working for all of you?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
Yes.
Now we are going to animate the word name, N-A-M-E. We are going to do that. Now, select N. What is the first step? And flag is clicked. Yeah, so the letter the letters M and Y, that is the word my, how we animated from some random position, it should come to some fixed position. Now for the letter name, for the word name, we are going to make it appear suddenly. Okay? First, it should not be there. Then later, it should appear suddenly. Did you understand what we are going to do?
Yes,
Yes.
Yeah, now
Yes, Akka.
when flag is clicked, what should happen first? Hide. In this violet boxes, it will be there. First, it should be hidden. When flag is clicked, it should not be there. Then we have to wait. We have to wait for 3 seconds. So change the number to 3. After that, it should appear. Appear means show. Okay, so it is show. This is the code for the letter N. So for A, M, E also same. So you can just drag this and copy it for A. Again drag and copy it for M. Again drag and copy it for E. Then once check if it has been copied or not. Click on A and check. Click on M and check.
yes, Akka.
Then click on E and check.
Excuse me, Akka.
Yeah.
Akka, Mahesh is asking you to let him join into the class, Akka.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, I admitted. Okay, fine.
Thank you, Akka.
Okay, so you have to copy it for N-A-M-E. Is it clear?
Yes, Akka.
Now let's check. We have animated the word my and we have animated the word name. Now I'm running the code C. My name. Okay? It has appeared suddenly. The word name has appeared suddenly. Is it clear?
Yes,
Akka, could you explain it again from?
Mahesh, actually, we are in the middle. Okay. Again, explaining it from the beginning would be difficult. Anyways, I'm recording this session. When I share it in the group, then you can watch it.
Okay, Akka.
Try to follow from here because again, from the beginning means it will not be possible. Okay.
Okay, Akka.
So did you understand? So now we are running. That is my and name appeared suddenly. Okay. Now is. So we have to choose the sprites, right? That is the letters. From orange only you choose I and S. Okay, so place them properly here. I and S. Now click on I. First we are going to write the code for I. This is a bit lengthy one. We are going to use loops also in this. So listen carefully. So what is the first step when flag is clicked? Writing I. Be careful for which letter you are writing the code. We are writing for I. When flag is clicked. Set size to 100%. So initially the size should be 100%. So now how we are going to animate the word is, what we are going to do is, we are going to use the ghost effect. We did the ghost effect in the loops. You remember? Previously we did.
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, so in this
Yes,
also, first we are going to use a ghost effect. That means they will appear slowly. After that, their size will increase and then decrease. That is how we are going to animate the word is. Now listen carefully. When flag is clicked, set size to 100%. Now, see here. Set, this block is there, right? Set color effect. Change it to set ghost
Yes,
effect.
Akka.
Set ghost effect to 100. Okay. After that,
Okay.
now we are going to use the loop. Repeat 100 times. So what we are going to repeat, we have to increase the size and we have to decrease the size. That is, we are going to repeat. So repeat 100. So inside the loop, keep here see here, change ghost effect by -1. In the violet bars, it will be there. Change ghost effect by -1. Now, we have to use another loop. So again, repeat 10 times only. Don't change the number. Repeat 10 times. Now, it has to wait for 1 second. So inside the loop only, place. Wait 1 second. So after 1 second, what should happen? The size of the letter should increase. So use this one. Change size. Where is that? Change size. Yeah. Yeah, change size by 10. The violet bars it will be there. Inside the loop only you have to place. Change size by 10. Okay?
Yes, Akka.
Now what happened? The letter size increased. After that, what should happen? The letter size should decrease. Yeah. So now we have to decrease. So we are going to use another loop. Again, repeat 10 times. Then wait for 0.1 second. Okay? Inside the loop only. Wait 0.1
Yes, Akka.
Then change size by -10 this time. Positive means increasing the size. Negative means what?
Increasing the size.
The size. Okay. Yeah. So this is the code for the letter I. So just copy this and copy it for S also. because the code is same for both. Okay, got it?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
just try running the code. Until here it should work. My name is. My name is. It should increase the size. Is it increasing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is increasing size, and then see, it is decreasing the size. Is it clear? Did it work for all of you?
Yes, Akka.
Okay.
So once could you play?
Yeah. My name is. It will increase slowly and then it will decrease. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we are going to animate the name. So what name I told? Sam. Because it will be easy. Because it's a short name. Okay, so now we have to choose the sprites. Choose it from the dark green ones. See. S. A. M. So place it properly here. Now we are going to code for the letter S. After that, we will copy it for A and M. So first for letter S. Yeah. So now how we are going to animate the name? Let's see. So this is also suddenly appearing. We are going to animate it as suddenly appearing. So what is the first step? When flag is clicked, what should happen? First, it should hide. It should hide. Then it should move to the coordinates here. That is go to, the blue color ones. Go to 150 and minus 117. You have to mention the coordinates where it should move. Go to 150 and minus 117. After that, it should wait. So for how much time it should wait? It should wait for almost 7 seconds. Okay, wait for 7 seconds. After that, it should appear. So show.
Show.
Okay, then it should glide. It should glide to a particular position. So glide 1 second to minus 103 and minus 117. Okay, now copy the same thing to the letter A and to the letter M also. And just check if it has been copied or not. But see, now listen carefully. For the letter A, we have to change the coordinates. We have to change the time also. Now it should wait for 8 seconds, not 7 seconds, for 8 seconds. And then glide 1 second to minus 17 and minus 117. Just change the time and change the x coordinate. Got it? Now,
Yes, sir.
for the letter M, it should wait for 9 seconds here. And then change the x coordinate to 76. And now it should work. Let's see. Otherwise, then we can change the timing or something. Let's check. My name is. It will increase slowly.
Akka, once could you show for A?
Okay, so did it come? Yeah, it's work. Yeah, it's
Akka,
work.
once could you show for A?
Yeah, see. Is it working for all of you? It should come like this.
Sir, Akka, once could you show for M also?
Name. Oh, okay.
Emma.
The last M.
Emma.
Yes, sir.
This is for M.
Akka, could you show first letter M?
Yeah. See, it should be working for all.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Got it? Yeah, nice. So this is your first project. With all the things we have learned till now, we made our first project, that is animating a name. Here, because it is a small name, I have used it as Sam. At your home, you can try with your name also. Okay?
Okay, Akka.
Yeah, okay. So I hope it's working for all. Did all of you get it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. So that's all for today. In the next class, in the next session, we'll do project 2. Okay? Another project we'll do.
Come and show you.
Okay.
Vaishnavi?
Can I show you?
Yeah, show me. If anyone wants to show me, you can show. Yeah, good. Oh, see, the timing should be different. See, they are overlapping. Once check that.
Akka, one Seema and Akka.
Yeah. See, mine is. Yeah, nice. Okay, good.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay. So that's all for today. You can all leave. We'll continue with project 2 in the next session. Okay?
Akka, once could you show?
Okay.
Akka, once could you show M letter?
Yeah. Yeah, okay. That's all for today. Others can leave.